Sometimes you've got to make a silent takedown. They'll understand. Are you sure? Yeah.
I cannot believe the news.
Need a skull gun?
Open up. I'm a federal agent.
Tough day. Anyone else hungry?
You have not watched.
I spill my drink.
What the hell?
All right. Let's do this.
Holy! Son of a bitch.
Whoa! Somebody got wasted! I see you, Denton. Get out my face! You trying to be funny? What am I doing? It's like a rat or something. What the?
You cocky son of a bitch. You trying to kill me?
Jackass. Are you out of your mind? Enough.
Make a move, then. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Come a little closer.
Bitch. Oops. Forgot how much I was carrying. Hold on while I get rid of something. Want this knife? Want another one?
Careful, these UNATCO guys got all the tricks. We're busted.
Do what you think's right, JC. Only listen to your own conscience.
You will not leave Hong Kong alive.
Empty!
Please, you've got to help me.
Sometimes you've got to make a silent takedown.
Who are you anyway? What are you doing here? Getting too old for this.
Guess you'll have to bump your boss off yourself. I'm a little busy right now.
Oh my god!
You Max might have copper wiring to reroute your fear of pain, but I've got nerves of steel. I'd love to stay and chat, but I've got to get moving.
Son of a...
Guy in a suit? He's dead. You don't have to worry about him anymore. Bob Page.
You're too late. Already I'm more than human.
Does that mean I don't get the job?
When my augmented systems like yours are complete and able to be integrated with Helios, I will burn like the brightest star.
You're gonna burn, all right. Tracer Tom. J.C. Denton is dead.